Hi, this is Harry from Super Tech Guru, and I bought these headphones like Monster Open Ear AC601, and since I bought, I am very happy with these Monster headphones. First thing is very clean, like very fashionable box, carrying charging box. See, very shining and very fashionable. And here is 2 points, like two different lights, like white color lights to which gives indication that now it's on the charging mode right now. And here is cable to, and on the back of this box there is a like connection point to restart recharging this, and it's very fast recharge, very long battery backup, and the most thing is very fashionable. See, very fashionable. And voice clarity is very good, and very clear, clean, crystal voice, and Bluetooth connection is very fast. See, these are the headphones I am going to show you nearby. These are the headphones, and even here is like indication, white color indication too about the headphones, like it is now in connection mode. And really these are fashionable, very, and open ear, and no any pressure on the ear, and very soft durable material, and I love this. I recommend this, and I am lover of listening music on my phone while I go to jogging. Since I bought, I am using these, and really these are good. All these things very good.